Hey guys, so I am going to make the kids some ice cream sandwiches. So this is shh, hush. So I thought I called myself trying to talk low, but obviously not. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. I won't be talking in this video. You guys will just be seeing me work, and maybe I'll come back for you guys to cook dinner with me. All right, let's get into the video. Okay guys, oh my gosh, it is early in the morning, and so excuse the pace. So I am done. That's my rendition of a ice cream cookie. Don't tell nobody I ate ice cream early in the morning. All right. Oh, that's finished with Nella by Prayers. It's good. I don't usually buy this brand, but that was good. I usually buy dryers. Okay, guys. So that was good. They slowly came in. Well, only 2, but they didn't find out. So I did let them dip their fingers. I know they were going to want to know and taste and all that stuff. So I let them get an early sneaker poo. Ooh, it is early in the morning. Good gracious. I need to get this removed. I don't like eye fat. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful, beautiful day. I am going to get my day started. I had to figure out what I'm going to cook with this meat back here. Anyway, talk to you later. Ta-ta. What is it, dude?